Struggling to turn guest interest into bookings? Create package instantly and generate more demand. To create a package in the YCS Channel Manager, navigate to from the right-hand menu. Select Create Package. You will now be taken to the package creation screen. Add the package name. Enter a short code. Select the applicable package type. Add a brief description for the package. Next, set the booking dates. Set the sell dates. Choose the applicable rate plans. Add any booking restrictions if applicable. Once all the required details have been completed, click Create. Your package is now created and live. Creating packages in YCS Channel Manager is quick, easy, and helps you offer more value to your guests while maximizing bookings.